Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And today we're going to get into the longer term option for trading on the Markets World platform. And one thing I find with a lot of the binary options brokers is they don't allow you to really go out long term on their options. Nadex is one of the only people I know that you can go out beyond about a week or up to about a week. But Marcus World, whereas it doesn't have a feature where you can extend the option out that long, it does have a feature where you can trade the option for around about 24 hours. And that can be pretty advantageous for us. There is some flexibility with the Marcus World system, as I had explained in earlier videos, and that is the very low wager amounts. I haven't seen any system that takes $1 wager, so that offers us a lot of advantages. We can trade more comfortably, get your feet wet. So this is a good starting out trading platform. Deposits are only $10 to get started. And so this gets you comfortable with trading live accounts with real money. Um, One strategy we want to talk about in this long-term binary option trading system is using our research as described in other videos and attaching it to this and going out for over 24 hours on one of their options that's available. And that 24-hour period can give us a lot more opportunity to get our data to line up and move us in the direction we want to be in, more so than a 1 minute or a 2 minute option. Um, in other videos I did, there was a 2 minute strategy that involved the martingale. I will be releasing another video on that, an update video on how to do that, or a different way to go about doing that, as martingales are very dangerous, but if they're used properly and kind of um, convalesced into one trade. Sometimes they can work. It all depends. But for the most part, I try to stay away from the martingale strategy. So there will be an update to that video on a safer way to do that. But with trading out for at least 24-hour periods, that's going to give us a little better situation on how to get the market to move in our direction. And as you can see on the screen, I put some options, and you can see where it says remaining greater than 60-minute options. That's the daily options that are available for the Markets World platform. And right now, I appear to be losing on most of my trades, but remember, it's a 24-hour period, and we will check back and see how that's doing tomorrow. Or I will do it over about a 20-day period, and that's another thing with the using the daily options. I've kind of created this system where it's basically more so like a monthly option, because we're going to go out over about the course of a month, trading in this way to see what our overall gains will be percentage wise. Okay, so what I've done is I've used some of the research that I've shown on the channel on other videos on how to research and pick what to trade, using pretty much that same system. And then I've selected my currency pairs here. They're going to trade over about 24 hours. And we're going to run that over a course of about a 20-day trading schedule. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take you over to an example of how we're going to set this up to trade these options over a 20-day period. So let's go to my notepad here so we can get a little insight on how to achieve that. All right. Just go over there and see what we got. All right, let's go to long-term strategy. All right, and as you can see in this example, uh, again, one of the advantage of Marcus World is the low deposits, the dollar trades, the $10 deposits. I just use $1,000 in this example, but that's going to go over our 20-day trading schedule. It could be $100 or whatever your financial tolerance is. But in this example, we're doing a 20-day trading schedule with about a 5%, because we don't want to go over our maximum, balance per trade. So we're doing a 5% of that per day over this 20-day period. So that would equal out to be about $50 per day in trades. But as well as that, what I'm doing is I'm actually breaking that $50 down into currency pairs which have strong signals. And so I break that down into 5 daily trades, and that'll run over a course of a 24-hour period, with each trade equaling out to be $10. And you can use this formula with any amount you trade, whether it's $100 or $10. I think this will be a safer way to trade with that amount of money. Looking at a long term, I try to shoot for 20 to 30% per month return if possible. But um, you know, basically, if you can get more, than even what you'll get from your bank, that's a good place to start. If your bank's only getting you like 2% a year, and you can come in here and you can get 20, 30% a year, you're still beating out your bank and other investment vehicles. And that's what we want to do. We want to put you in a position to find a way to use this platform to be of some advantage to you. Again, as I expressed, when we reach a certain level, I would prefer you go over to the Nadex, because the Nadex offers us a lot more functions and a lot more features. But you know starting out with a low aggressive account, my general rule of thumb is your investment portfolio can usually, um, carry about 10% of high risk investments in them. And binary options is definitely going to, fall under that. And your age should be taken into account as well. If you're younger, you can be a bit more aggressive. But I say no more about 10% of your portfolio should be used in this type of trading. Um, and that's the strategy. I won't go into the researching and what to pick and how I picked it. You can look at my other videos. It'll tell you exactly how to do that. But if you have any question, guys, please don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below. If you try the strategy, let me know how it works. You can try it in demo mode, of course, first. No such thing, I believe, as trading a demo account too much. So trade your demo account and trade your demo account. And if you find one of these strategies I've used is working out great for you, please feel free to comment. Let me know what your results have been with it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. And until next time, take care.